What if by the year 2041, the heart of your home turned into a high-tech food lab? You walk into the kitchen, and instead of pots and pans, there's a sleek machine waiting for your command. You tap on a screen, selecting not just flavors, but the nutrients and calories you need. The printer hums, and layers of fresh, savory food materialize before your eyes. It's precise, it's personalized, it's your new normal. Every bite is engineered for your health, yet tastes just like grandma's cooking. No more grocery runs, no more chopping and stirring. It's all at the touch of a button. But what's the cost? Your food's journey from farm to plate, now just a short buzz across the room. Do you know where your meal's ingredients come from? Can the art of cooking be digitized? Will this innovation on your countertop become your most trusted appliance, or the watchful eye dictating your diet? And as you sit down to feast on this printed meal, you have to wonder, is this the end of traditional cooking? What does this mean for the family dinners, the recipes passed down through generations? Tell us, would you take a seat at this table of the future?